but shout out him honey. Yeah. You had you a baby and now little mama's a mommy.
Hey, it's me, Imani Brief. If you're new before, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been, nice to meet you. Today, as the title of the video says, I'm going to attempt to do some Pinterest nails, so we'll see how that goes. Before I get into it, like always, I have some links in my description for different organizations, GoFundMes, resources, for different social justice things, so please go check those out. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, you should go ahead and do it. If you like this hair, for example, if you subscribe, you will be able to see me do a review of it next week. So yeah, go ahead, click the button, stick around. Yeah, so like a lot of us, I've been on Pinterest a lot this past year looking at different makeup and fashion and nail art boards, and I decided, you know what? Why don't I finally try to recreate one of them? So I'll put a picture of what I'm trying to recreate up here. It's like this nude color body silhouette type look, and I've seen a bunch of different examples of it, so I'll put a couple up here. And yeah, I thought I would attempt to recreate it, so I got like some nude colored nail polish and a bunch of nail art brushes, and I'm gonna try. I don't know if I'll succeed, but I definitely will put in the effort, so that counts for something. You're not gonna see my face for a little bit because I only have one camera, so I'm gonna be filming my nails, but you will definitely hear my voice. So I hope you like the sound of it, because you'll hear a lot of it. So I have these. This one's definitely the darkest, and then this one's kind of metallic. And I might go in and make this one a thumb, which are really cute actually. Okay, I'm back in a different setup because I was actually able to figure out how to get my camera set up so that you can see the nail like this, which I'm super happy about. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and recreate one of the pictures now. I'll put up on the screen, like off to the side, which one I'm trying to recreate. Okay, this is now the closest I've got to the picture that I'm looking for. My camera does not want to focus very well. That's it. This is a mess, a hot mess. So what I'm gonna do is erase these. So I will be back in a little bit with some other stuff. I have decided that instead of doing like the body silhouette thing that I was going to try and do the first time around, I'm gonna try this like snake pattern, as in like the, you know, like the marks the snakes make in the sand, like desert kind of look. So I'm gonna bring white into the mix. The nice thing with this is that it doesn't really have to, from what I've seen, be any sort of particular pattern or size. You can make some areas thinner or thicker. Okay, so that's what I've got right now. I'm gonna use this color, which I have on the thumb.
It's been a long time.
Yes, ma'am. A lot of water under the bridge.
Some of the old songs.
Yes, ma'am.
think that looks pretty good. It looks interesting at the very least. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try and recreate it on the other hand. We will see how that goes. It's a slightly different angle, but my fingers are still wet and I can't afford to try and mess this up because it took way too much time and energy to do them. But this is the final result. I really like it. It's not what I planned on having going into this. I was gonna try and do the silhouette thing and I would have been up until like 5 in the morning. It's already like 1 now because I am a dumbass who decided to try to do her nails at midnight. So yeah, I think it's pretty good though. I really like the pattern. It's unique, it's interesting, and it didn't take too long. I would definitely try it again. Yeah, so that's the end of the video. Didn't go the way I planned, but it was good and I had fun, and I'll probably try more stuff like this with like different Pinterest art. I'll find easier ones, but I also got like some green nail polish, and I can do a bunch with the white and the black, and the tools that I got also have the little like dots on the end, so I would love to do some like patterns with that. Yeah, it's fun. This is my send-off because I'm tired. But yeah, if you liked it, please remember to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Also, I have a bunch of playlists, a bunch of videos. I kind of just started posting again after being away for a while, and I'm super excited to be able to upload more content. So please watch out for that, and I'll see you next time. Bye.